There are so many options available in the market. The process of finding the best toaster oven under $100 can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The Luby Convection Toaster Oven with timer represents great value for money, and is a great addition to your kitchen. It provides convection heating technology to circulate warm air throughout the appliance, for quick and evenly baking or cooking. Equipped with 4 heating elements at the top and bottom, customers seem to really enjoy this toaster oven with its easy-to-use dial, which provides full control over function and temperature. It is large enough to hold a 10-inch pizza, but not too big for a kitchen where space is at a premium. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best on the market. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.